What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install ambient lighting strips in your F30 BMW. It's very easy to do, and I think it's a nice improvement over the basic interior door lights, which pretty much just light up the door handle and not much else. This kit comes with 4 strips, 2 longer ones for the front doors and 2 shorter ones for the rear doors. I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this exact same kit. I'll start by installing one on the front passenger door. The strip will have a longer, thinner side and a shorter, wider side. You basically just press the longer, thinner side behind the black door trim piece. And that's it. You just repeat this process now for the remaining 3 doors. I love the way this looks when I'm driving at night. And if you want, you can even change the colors in your vehicle settings menu. You can go between white and orange, but I'm going to stick to orange because it matches the color of the gauges and other buttons around the dash. That's it, guys. It was that easy. Thanks for watching, and once again, I have a product link in the description if you're interested. Please hit like and subscribe. I have a lot more F30 videos coming.